Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2025 Acura ADX. I'm going to show you how to pair your smartphone. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go right here to phone, and obviously we're going to connect. So let's go right here, and then it's going to give us instructions on the screen, but I'll show you what I'm doing. So we're going to go here. This is very easy to do. Now I'm doing this on an iPhone, but the process won't be a lot different, if any, if you have an Android device as well. So you're looking for Acura ADX, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen, and we're going to do that. Now we're going to watch what happens here. We're going to pair right there. We're going to select allow. Let that do its thing. It's hitting the pairing request. Now if we want to use Apple CarPlay, we're going to select connect right there. That makes it very simple to do. You'll see that this is going to come up on the screen. I'm going to select yes right there. We're going to confirm. And go ahead and set. A lot of things to go through right there, but we are good. So we're going to accept one more time. I told you there was a lot to go through. There we go. Now we're going into Apple CarPlay, and you can see how the screen looks right there. And that definitely does a nice job. Nice and bright, very clear graphics. And that is how you pair your smartphone to your Acura ADX. If you want another tutorial of any sort on the ADX, tell me what it is down in the comments section, and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.